Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're tired of traditional cable and want to dive into the world of streaming with YouTube TV on your Fire TV, you've come to the right spot. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get everything set up so you can start watching your favorite shows in no time. First things first, make sure you have a compatible Fire TV device, like the Fire TV Stick or Fire TV Cube, and an active YouTube TV subscription. Don't worry if you're new to this. It's straightforward and hassle-free. Let's jump right in. Start by grabbing your Fire TV remote and heading to the home screen. From there, navigate to the search icon. It's usually at the top. Type in YouTube TV and hit enter. You'll see the app pop up in the results. Go ahead and select it, then choose Download or Get to install the app. This should only take a minute or two, depending on your internet speed. Once the app is installed, open it up. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account, the same one linked to your YouTube TV subscription. Enter your credentials and bam, you're in. Now, you can browse live TV, on-demand content, and even record shows with the DVR feature. A quick tip. If you run into any glitches, like the app not loading, try restarting your Fire TV or checking your Wi-Fi connection. It's rare, but these simple fixes usually do the trick. And remember, YouTube TV offers a vast library of channels, so explore and customize your lineup. There you have it. Watching YouTube TV on your Fire TV is now as easy as pie. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more streaming tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy streaming, everyone!